Hi, class. Well, you did it. You're on your last week of the term. Fantastic. I'm so proud of all of you. I wanted to very quickly go over the very last writing assignment that you have for this class, which is the 8-4 assignment reflection. So let's go into the MindEdge material and take a look. And I am just covering in this video the that reflection paper, okay? Um, Sorry, I have to move my cat out of the way. All right, so here we are, the assignment reflection. This is the last main paper that you have to write for this class, and then you are officially done. All right, so it gives you an overview. You will write a reflection essay that explores how you chose to incorporate feedback on your argument, your exploration of the issue, and your source integration in the persuasive essay, as well as how your incorporation of resources supported your claim. And so you can read the rest of that. All right, here are the prompts. And I wanted to go over this with you specifically. Um, these, all of these prompts need to be addressed in one fully developed paragraph. Each prompt, one fully developed paragraph, about 5 to 8 sentences in length. So your paragraph 1 will be, what peer review feedback did you choose to incorporate concerning your argument and why? So that will be your first main paragraph. What challenges did you face? This will be paragraph 2, and also what could you have done differently? You can incorporate B all in one big chunk paragraph. So you can see here there are 5 prompts. So your paper should have 5 fully developed paragraphs covering each of these, A through E. I wanted to mention with A, it says what peer review feedback. If you did not receive peer review feedback on your work, you still need to talk about any feedback that you got. Was it feedback? I know you received feedback from me, your instructor, so you can talk about feedback that I gave you that you used. You can, if you used the Writing Center or NetTutor, you can talk about that feedback. If you used your next door neighbor, you can talk about that feedback. So with A, if you simply say, I did not receive any feedback, and you leave it at that, you are definitely going to get 0 points on that first rubric category. So I wanted to definitely bring that to your attention. Um, Also, something very important with this that a lot of students don't do because they're done, they want to be finished. So, and I get that. Um, but you do need to use APA or MLA format as you're putting this together. So it says guidelines for submission. It needs to be double spacing, 12-point font. So, don't stuff everything together or just have, little single spaced paragraphs. You do need to make it in proper MLA or APA style. Okay? So that's all I wanted this video to cover was the very last writing assignment. I also wanted to say it's been a pleasure this term. You all have been fantastic in getting your work turned in, and I had some very interesting topics to read about. I loved them. You all are very creative in your thoughts and ideas, so I really appreciated that. Um, okay, that's all I needed to say. I wish all of you the best, I truly do. And stick with it, don't give up, carry on with your dreams. You'll get there. All right, take care, everybody, and have a happy holiday. I know it's in a month or so, so happy holidays to all of you. Bye. So this is Mrs. Leonardi signing off one last time. Bye.